to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at how I achieve this cute ponytail look with a drawstring ponytail. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so here I am starting with freshly washed hair. It is stretched and blow dried. And to achieve this look, I am going to be using a little bit of my Eco Styler protein gel, my Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, some ponytail holders, a brush, my edge brush, and some bobby pins. So to start off, I'm going to start with my brush, brushing my hair back, and I'm going to start to brush it back but up to the top because I'm going to have a high ponytail. So I'm kind of brushing it in the back in an upwards motion. And I'm just going to go all the way around my head to get it as smooth as I can. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my Murray's Edge Wax and I'm just going to rub it into my palms. And then I'm going to rub it onto the front of my edges. This is going to help my hair lay flat. And then I'm also going to do the same to the back, mostly making sure that I focus on my nape so I can get those little flyaways in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush that in. So this is my hair tutorial. This is how I lay my hair down. If you don't use edge control to lay your hair down, if you only use gel, or some people use leave-in conditioner, anything that you use is completely fine. Okay, this is just what I use. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my protein gel, very little, and I'm just going to put some on the front and on the back, and then I'm going to go back in with my brush and my ponytail holders because I am about to place my hair in a ponytail. So here I am just brushing it up, gathering it all into a ponytail, trying to make it as smooth as I can. And for this look, guys, I'm going to be using 2 ponytail holders just to make sure that my bun is nice and secure. I feel like when my bun is nice and secure, my drawstring ponytail will be able to clip onto my bun a lot easier, and it'll be more sturdy. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 2 ponytail holders and I'm going to loop it around a couple times. Again, if you think 3 times is too many times to loop your hair, do not loop your hair 3 times, okay? It is completely your preference. So here I have my hair in a ponytail, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my ponytail in half, and then I'm just going to basically do like a 2-strand twist, and this is just going to keep my hair pulled together when I wrap it around in a bun, so it doesn't get tangled up or anything like that. And guys, I know looking at this, it looks like my hair is not that flat. Don't worry, I am going to go in and go over it. So after I twisted it in a 2-strand twist, I'm just going to wrap it around in a small bun, and then I'm just going to put a ponytail holder over it to anchor it in place. So now I am going to be using this sorry, I don't think it's outre. I'm going to be using this Feather Girl ponytail. I will make sure that I insert a clip or a picture of the boxed hair. I have already taken it out of the box. So this is what the ponytail looks like. And the ponytail, you can see it's very full of volume. It also comes with 2 clips, which I'm about to show you. So there's a comb at the top, and then there's also a comb at the bottom. These are the 2 combs that I'm going to be using to anchor the ponytail onto my bun. So I'm going to start with my front clip, and try your best to position the clips as flat as possible so you don't have any discomfort when you're wearing your ponytail throughout the day. So now I'm going to take this drawstring ponytail and I'm just going to tighten the drawstring, and now I'm just wrapping it around the base of the ponytail, and I'm going to anchor that extra string in place with a bobby pin. So after it is anchored in place, what I'm going to do is, to make the ponytail look a little bit more sleek and a little bit more pulled together, I'm just going to take out a short piece of hair, and I'm going to take that piece of hair from the bottom and I'm just going to wrap it around the front of the ponytail. So that'll cover up if you have a little bump from the the clip at the front of the ponytail, it'll cover that up and conceal it and make it look like it's coming out of your scalp. All right, and then I'm gonna secure it at the back with a bobby pin. So now guys, I just need to take care of my edges. My ponytail is on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my edge brush. And usually I brush out my edges a little bit first, kind of style them lightly how I want them to go. And then I am going to go ahead and grab me some of my Murray's Edge Control, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my edges. So of course, everyone has their own preference of how they style their baby hairs or their edges. You know how to slay your own hair, so I am just going to slay my own edges the way that I do them. And I usually do swoops, as you can see here, and then I pull out my little sideburns. And as you guys can see, my Murray's Edge Wax is actually, as I'm doing my edges, it's actually helping me lay down the couple of flyaways that were sticking up at the top as well that I was telling you guys. I know it is sticking up a little bit, but I can always clean it up after I lay my edges. So now I'm just going in doing the other side, and of course, lay your edges the way that you lay your edges, okay? This is the way I lay my edges. Lay your edges the way that you lay your edges. And then again, I'm just going in, fixing those little flyaways. Alright guys, so my edges look pretty good now. I'm fluffing out the ponytail. I'm going to take a minute to go ahead and put a scarf, and then I will be back. Okay girl, that's cute. So this is how I achieved this look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, and make sure if you are not subscribed, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thanks for watching.